Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give a grade, and then our program will check whether the student will able to pass or failed in a given grade using Perl or practical extraction reporting language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, so write a program using if statement that will ask the user to give a grade. If the student, then the program will check and determine if the student passed or failed in the subject. So we have here a series of comment in Perl, and then we have here the title, a grade shaker in Perl. Enter your grade, see champ $grade. If the $grade greater than to 75, the passing grade is 75. Your grade is you pass the subject. If $grade less than 75, your grade is you fail the subject. And then we close, new line, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. And then we have here new line. If you have some background in C programming, Perl is much easier to learn. The learning curve is not stiff. Okay, so it's much easier because Perl actually was based on the C language. It was created by Larry Walway back in 1987. Okay, let us go to our online GDB compiler. So we have here the code, and then let us run the code. Click the run button here. Okay, our program is running right now. Grade checker in Perl. Enter your grade. Let's say 65. So 65 is less than 75, so your grade is 65. You failed the subject and the program. Another run. Let's say the student has a 90, enter your grade 90. So your grade is 90%. You pass the subject and the program. Okay, another run. Let's say the grade is 74. Enter your grade. Your grade is 74%. You fail the subject and the program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on grade shaker in Perl or practical extraction reporting language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new and entertained along the way in our tutorial video. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.